Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Alright guys, so you wish for songs, I bring them up here on Wednesdays. And this time we have you, Pickle Nickel. You wished for a song from Sanchez, I Need You Most of All. Nice choice there. So thank you, Pickle Nickel. Great name there, by the way, and a great song you wished for. So this is special for you and all you Steven Sanchez fans. Let's take a look at this song. So we have the capo set here on the first fret. All right, so that's a good start. And then we have, I believe it's 9 chords. Haven't counted them. That's really, I think it's 8 or 9 chords. Anyway, let's go over them and take a look at the different grips we have. So we'll start here with A. Okay, that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have A7, so what you do there is just to lift off this second G and get that open. Everything else is the same, so that gives us open A, second D, open G, second B, and open E. We have the F sharp minor. Alright, so that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the second fret and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And then we have the B minor. So that's another bar chord, a bar placed on the second fret. Still there, but you don't have to bar the last E string here, so 5 strings from the bottom up, and then you have to add 4th on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right, and we will move on here with the E. That is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the C sharp minor. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 4th fret and you bar 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Exact same grip as the B minor, just placed 2 frets closer to your body like this. All right. Then we have the F sharp 7. So that's a bar chord again on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 3rd on G. Then we have the D and the D minor left there. So the D is open D, second G, 3rd B, and 2nd E, and then the D minor is open D, second G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So that's the only difference from D to this position. D, 2nd on E string, and D minor on 1st E string. But usually you need to recuperate your fingers like this. You have the D with this grip, index on G string, ring finger on B, and middle on the E string. And then you have to recuperate like this, index on the E string on the D minor. Anyway, that's the chords I believe you need. I think I got all of them there. Yes. So let's take a look at this song here. It's basically 2 different parts. It's a verse play and chorus play. It starts with the A there. If we look at the verse play and grab that A, we'll learn the strumming pattern first, which will be played through the entire song. So one round of it goes, so it's down, down, up, up, down. That is one strumming round. So down, down, up, down. A couple of rounds to get the feeling here for the rhythm. All right, so we're ready for the actual verse here, and let's start here with A2, then F sharp minor 2, B minor 2, E2, C sharp minor 2, F sharp 7, 2, then B minor 1, E1, and A1, plus one extra down on the A with a pause. And that's it for the verse. So to summarize, A2, F sharp minor 2, B minor 2, E2, C sharp minor 2, F sharp 7, 2, and then B minor 1, E1, and A1 plus one extra down with the pause there. All right, we'll go over to the chorus play here, and we're gonna learn that in the same way. I'm gonna play meanwhile I'm speaking there. So F sharp minor 2, B minor 2, then E2, then A1 and A7, 1, D2, D minor 2, then A1, E1, and back to A1, plus 1 down. All right, so there you have the chorus. So you're gonna play this verse, I believe it's for a couple rounds, 2 rounds or so, then back to chorus, and then play chorus, and then back to verse again. And then you have this final round. I wanna give the ending here as well, so you get that right. So I'm gonna play the final round for you here. It starts in the same way as the verse does. It goes in the same way all the way to the C sharp minor part. So we're gonna play A2, and F sharp minor 2, and B minor 2, and E2, C sharp minor 2. So far it's the same as the standard verse play, the final round here. But from now on, you're gonna play F sharp 7, 1 down plus a big pause. And then you're gonna continue with B minor 1, then E1, then A1, A7 1, and then you're just gonna end with 1 down with pause in between for the following chords: B minor, E, and A. So and that's how the song ends there. I'm aware of there are some notes added to this there in the end here. I just go and play the background, the supportive music, so to speak. So with that, you should play just like I did here. 1 down on a B minor, E, and A. And that pretty much sums it up for Steven Sanchez, I Need You Most of All. So that's what I feel with you guys, especially you who support me in the way that you subscribe to this channel and follow me here, comment and interact with me. I really need you most of all, so really enjoy to do this. But yeah, in the end, I need you, so thank you so much for your support. And you Pickle Nickel, thank you for wish this song here on this channel here, Gordon Guitar. So keep on do that, all folks who are listening here. Wish for songs, perhaps it's your song next Wednesday. So yeah, thank you all, and hope to see you soon. Play tuned.